Carom leaves has many medicinal uses. They are so easy to grow at home. Just plant a stem and they will grow from that into abundance. You can just cut the leaves from it and use. Its medicinal uses include it relieves cold and cough, cures stomachache, controls dysentery or diarrhea, helps in digestion as it contains a component called thymol. Thymol may help in the treatment of gastrointestinal ailments. Carom is one solution to many of your digestive issues like acidity, heartburn, or bloating. Apply the crushed juices from the leaves on baby's chest to get relief from congestion due to phlegm, cold, or cough. When you have indigestion or any digestive issues in kids or adults, cold or cough, or any other respiratory issues during this winter season, this rasam works as an immediate cure. And if you don't have any issues, take this rasam once a week to keep your respiratory digestive systems healthy and to develop immunity and to get many other medicinal benefits from these leaves. How regularly you take should depend on your body type as carom has hot potency and it generates heat in your body. If your leaf is of this size, take 2 to 3 leaves, or if your leaf is small in size, take 4 to 5 leaves to make rasam. Fresh carom leaves bear a strikingly similar resemblance to oregano when it comes to the fragrance. The closest substitute to oregano is carom leaves. Take fresh leaves, wash them and dry them in the sun for 4 to 5 days until they are completely dry and blend them to a coarse powder. It is best to store the seasoning in an airtight container. If you want to prolong its life, keep it in the refrigerator. You can put this as seasoning on anything you like salads or sandwich or curry. Now let's see how to make carom leaves rasam or soup. gives great relief and comfort when you have cold or cough or during this winter season. It's a great comfort soup. You can either drink directly or eat with rice. We take this rasam once a week, and from a personal experience I can say there's a major difference in my kid falling sick to cold and cough and developed strong immunity. And I strongly recommend everyone to have this plant in your home, which is very easy to grow and comes handy for many common causes due to its high medicinal properties. Don't miss to grab carom leaf plant if you find it. Thanks for watching. Please share this video and let more people benefit from this plant. Stay healthy, stay positive.